Alright, haven't done my vlogging while driving check-in in a while, so figured I'd knock one of those out. Siding's done on the outside of the house. Holy crap, looks like a brand new house already, and we haven't even started painting yet, so just wait. Inside's looking great. Got the knockdown sprayed. He's actually priming it right now, spraying the primer everywhere, so it's ready for the paint. Cabinets are coming in tomorrow. We got floors coming in next week. I'm going up to the hardware store right now to buy some materials for tomorrow so I can build us a little accent wall, and we can have all the other stuff we need to get through the next 5 to 7 days. Things are moving quick now. Things are looking good. Gotta keep at it. Rock and roll. All this wood is gonna go right here. Right?
It's wall day. And we're done. Melon.
Doesn't fit.
You got it. Good job, baby. Good job. You did it. Hooray! Our cabinets are here. Baby, cabinets!
Getting our new metal roof installed.
Hi, fans!
What's up, guys? I'm in our kitchen, and there's cabinets! Ah, there's cabinets!
Show Stinky.
Well, Stinky's broken.
He's still dead.
Yeah, sink's still broken, but we got a new one coming, so don't you worry. This is gonna be the bar right here. Looking good. We're almost there, guys. For like the first time, I feel like there's actually not that much stuff left to do. Like, there's still a list of stuff, but it's not a mile long. It's just a little long. So we got floors and countertops scheduled to come in tomorrow. And once those are in, it's the home stretch. You know, baseboards, backsplash, painting, and then we'll just get the plumbers and electricians to come back in and trim out all the stuff and be ready to move in. So
That's gonna be the fun part.
moving.
The moving part.
Well, she's got too much stuff. Yes.
It's all him.
You should see his closet. It's
Got
just
like
socks.
5 shirts. All right, stay tuned. We're almost done with the house. They finished the floors yesterday, and today we are out furniture shopping.
I think it's the one. It's cozy. You like it? I like it.
Ow! Furniture shopping is
It's hard.
it's a lot. So much stuff.
Goodbye.
The countertops are here. We got our accent wall getting painted here. And the countertops are going in, baby. Look at these bad boys. Oh my God. Looking good. The office has its cabinets and counters all finished up now. Looking good, looking good. The cozy room.
Sometimes. Yay! Hi, peoples! Why are you scared?
What have I done? Hi all. As you can see, we picked a gray for our paint color, and we're loving it. Thanks, Diana.
How do you like that as a boho?
Stoop kids being stoop kids, sitting on the stoop being stoop kids.